369 code is a law of attraction technique. Through this technique, you can make your wishes come true. If you want anything in your life, you can attract that. We have to go back to the 19th century to know about this technique. This theory is introduced by great scientist Nikola Tesla. But this technique is not as famous as Tesla's other inventions because humans believe only those things which are visible, which can be adapted to our day-to-day life. Well, it is not possible to know everything in the universe, but we can use those secrets to fulfill our wishes. We need to have faith, then only we will be able to see beyond our limits. And once you broke the entire threshold by having faith, we can achieve any goal in life and we can change our lives. What Nikola Tesla told about this code? When we study the circles, we know a circle will have a 360 degrees. As we divide a circle many times, we will get 3, 6 or 9 numbers only. If we cut a quarter of circle, we will get 90 degree. Now that quarter will be multiply of 3, 6 and 9. Remaining 3 quarters angle total degree will be 270 degrees, which are multiples of 3, 6 and 9. Through this example, we can understand what Nikola Tesla wanted to tell us. We can see that in his next inventions that 3, 6 and 9 plays an important role in our nature. After decoding this pattern, Tesla told that if you understand the power of 3, 6 and 9, you will be also able to open the secret door of the universe. After this, your life will be changed easily and you can get anything you want in your life. How this technique help you? Let us see. Number 3. In numerology, number 3 is related to the direct source of the universe, where it is believed that this is the origin of all wishes of human. If you understand the power of 3, you will be at the root of universe and all your wishes come true. In Hindu religion, number 3 is a blessing number. You might have heard about Hindu gods Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh are the 3 Murtis. You have also heard about the third eye of God Shiva, which indicates truth, consciousness and happiness. Triveni Sangam, confluence of 3 rivers. Through all these facts, we can understand the importance of number 3. Number 6. Number 6 indicates our internal power. By awakening this, you can flow through the energy which will become a medium to meet your wishes. And with this energy, you will also be able to solve your upcoming hurdles. It is believed that God has taken 6 days to build this universe. According to astrology, Venus planet indicates number 6, which is the symbol of love. Number 9. If we are affected by our past and because of that we are unable to move and to accept new things with confidence, number 9 helps us in disconnecting us from our past and reduces the self-doubt and negative vibes so that we can accept new opportunities in future. Bible also indicates that God's pure soul has 9 fruits of God. As you see, this number 3, 6 and 9 are very special, and with their systematic and synchronized use, we can easily open the secret door of the universe and have our wished things. But you should have faith in it. What should we do for this technique? First of all, you should be clear with your goal. Keep realistic goals. As I want to be happy and peaceful, I want a genuine life partner, I want help to start my business or work like this. Not like I want millions of rupees, etc. It will not going to happen unless you work hard. After setting your goal, imagine that goal for 17 seconds without any disturbance. Give energy to your goal in your mind. Do it for 4 laps. 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17 is equal to 68 seconds. Then link these 17 seconds with the 3, 6 and 9 numbers. How to link? For this, take a notebook and write down your amazing goal for 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon and 9 times at night time. Remember, while writing, you have to cover 17 seconds or more to write your goal, not less than 17 seconds. Make a sentence which covers 17 seconds. Don't skip this routine. Do it for minimum 20 days. Maximum is your comfort. Choose comfortable timing without disturbance. Keep your soul pure and have faith. After writing, say thank you to the universe. As we know, we become what we believe. So, have belief and have trust on this.